Dito wala pa. Oo, developing mabul.
Ay, oo nga.
Dito, kakanak. Mahabol din siya. Wala pa.
Hanggang saan, hanggang kailan magtatagal ang aking pagmamahal? Hanggang may hilig pa akong naririnig dito sa ating daigdig. Hanggang may musika akong tinataglan, kita'y iniibig. Iniwag mo sanang isipin, ikaw ay aking lilisanin. Di ko magagawang lumayo sa iyong piling, at nais kong malaman mo kung gaano kita kamahal. Hanggang ang diwa ko hanging sa'yo lang mamahalin kailanman. Hanggang pag-ibig ko'y hanggang walang hanggan, tanging ikaw lamang. Hanggang may himig pa akong naririnig dito sa ating daigdig. Hanggang may musika akong tinataglay, kita'y iniibig. Iniwag mo sanang isipin, ikaw ay aking lilisanin. Di ko magagawang lumayo sa iyong piling, at nais kong malaman mo kung gaano kita kamahal. Hanggang may puso akong marunong magmahal, na ang sinisigaw ay lagi ng ikaw. Hanggang saan, hanggang kailan kitang mahal? Hanggang ang buhay ko'y kunin ng may kapal. Iniuwag mo sanang isipin, ikaw ay aking lilisanin. Di ko magagawang lumayo sa iyong piling, hanggang may pag-ibig laging isisigaw, tanging ikaw. Hanggang may pag-ibig laging isisigaw, tanging ikaw. I can't remember when you weren't there, when I didn't care for anyone but you. I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can't do. Through the years, you've never let me down. You've turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I've loved the life we've made, and I'm so glad I stayed. right here with you through the years. I can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted, who I listened to before. I swear you've taught me everything I know. Can't imagine needing someone so, but through the years it seems to me I need you more and more. Through the years, through all the good and bad, I know how much we had. I've always been so glad to be with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You've kissed my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years. Through the years when everything went wrong, together we were strong. I know that I belong right here with you. Through the years, I never had a doubt we'd always work things out. I've learned what life's about by loving you through the years. Through the years, you've never let me down. You turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You've kissed my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the
Panapanahon ng pagkakataon, may babalik bang kahapon? Natatandaan mo pa ba nang tayong dalawa'y unang magkita? Panahon ng kamusmusan, sa piling ng mga bulaklak at halaman, doon tayo nagsimula mangarap at tumulak. Natatandaan mo pa ba inukit kong puso sa punong mangga, at ang inalay kong gumamela, magkahawak kamay sa dalampasigan, malayang tulad ng mga ibon, ang gunita ng ating kahapon. Ang mga puno't halaman ay kabiyak ng ating gunita. Sa paglipas ng panahon, bakit kailangan ding lumisan? tahanan ng ating tula at pangarap ngayon ay naglaho na. Saan nahanapin pa? Lumilipas ang panahon, kabiyak ng ating gunita. Ang mga puno't halaman, bakit kailangang lumisan? Panapanahon ng pagkakataon, may babalik ba ang kahapon? Panahon, kabiyak ng ating gunita. Ang mga puno't halaman, bakit kailangang lumisan? Panapanahon ng pagkakataon, may babalik ba ang kahapon?
That when I was a child, before life removed all the innocence, my father would lift me high and dance with my mother and me, and then spin me around till I fell asleep. Then up the stairs he would carry me, and I knew for sure I was loved. If I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with him, I'd play a song that would never ever end. How I'd love, love, love to dance with my father again. Ooh. When I and my mother would disagree, to get my way I would run from her to him. He'd make me laugh just to comfort me, yeah, yeah. Then finally make me do just what my mama said. Later that night when I was asleep, he left $1 under my sheet. Never dreamed that he would be gone from me. If I could steal one final glance, one final step, one final dance with him, I'd play a song that would never ever end. 'Cause I'd love, love, love to dance with my father again. Sometimes I'd listen outside the door, and I'd hear how my mother cried for him. I pray for her even more than me. I pray for her even more than me. But could you send back the only man she loved? I know you don't do it usually, but dear Lord, she's dying to dance with my father again. Every night I fall asleep, and this is all I ever dream.
Dito konti, uy.
Papaulin hindi. Paalam na kayo. Hawakan nyo na.
Ronnie, luha mo, Ronnie, ha?
Luwa, luwa.
Luha mo, Ronnie, ha?
Luwa, luwa. Makumaka. Hello! May ulo ko ngayon. Bulaklak ha. Bulaklak. Okay. Pasok mo sa loob ha. Pasok mo sa loob. Huwag mo na maglalagay. Oh. Bulaklak ha. Bulaklak. Pasok mo sa loob. Bulaklak, bulaklak. Yung pa wala. Yung financial. Bulaklak. Ang mga anak. Diba? Oh. Diba? Oh, bulaklak.
Ronnie, luha mo, Ronnie.
Bulaklak. Ito. Pawala. Wala. Bulaklak. Yan na.
Go.
Anak
Bigyan naman natin dahil yung mga ibang kamag-anak, yung mga kapatid naman para makapagpaalam din sila. Mga ibang kamag-anak naman para makalapit naman sila. Makapagpaalam din kay kuya. Mga kapatid. Makapagpaalam naman sila.
Sakyan ko eh. Sakyan. Oh, sarap.
Alam na kayo.
Special part of me, you will always be a special memory. I'll always cherish wonderful moments you have given me. You are in my heart, wherever I may be. Special, wherever I may be. Special. All the times we shared will always be to me songs my heart will sing, refreshing melodies. I'll put together all of your laughter like a symphony. I'll remember you wherever I may be. Wherever I may be. Like a symphony, I'll remember you wherever I may be. A special memory. I'll remember you. I'll remember you. I'll remember you. Just wherever I may be. Special, wherever I may be. Special memory. part of me.